Okay, it's dusk here, and I'm gonna take a quick walk. We're going to dinner in town a little bit. I'm gonna get picked up on the way, try to hit a few trails. So I'm gonna get a light on my backpack here. It's gonna be dark soon. All right, what I ended up doing, I'm gonna have this headlamp in a minute when it gets dark, but I just put my bicycling red light on the back of my headlamp strap. So here we go. All right, so we're going straight out the back here where I have like a little bushcraft area set up, little fire pit, wood pile. This is put my hammock back here sometimes. It's a little overgrown, but there's a little sawhorse I made to buck wood right there. So we're gonna walk through the woods here. Hopefully it's not too wet. There's definitely some mud and wet areas here. I'm hoping I can get through. This goes to an old railroad bed. There's quite a bit of wildlife through here. A little more overgrown, but still been driving a gator through here. All right, I made it out of the woods. Wasn't too wet. And this is an old railroad bed that I guess many years ago the soldiers used to take the railroad to the National Guard camp up here. It's been shut down for years, the railroad. Just got to the end of the trail now. The old railroad bed, that is. Gonna be on asphalt here in a minute. Quarter of a mile or so. Okay, we're gonna venture off-road here. When I was about 12 or 14, I'm in my mid-50s now. This trail, I made this trail on my motorcycle, which isn't really a trail anymore. Nobody rides on it, but it's still here. So we're gonna do some boondocking. It's hard for me to know if the video is gonna pick up any of this at night, so we'll see. A lot of dead trees down, but this used to be a wide open trail. There's a sand hill up here to the right that a couple weeks ago I put a video up, me climbing into my sand hill. Funny, somebody's got golf balls out here. There's the sand hill. A lot of good times there as a kid. The winter and summer. I'm gonna head this way, which again used to be a trail. Couple of big logs down here. Another pretty good sized tree down here. If I can step over without getting caught up. Real tall ferns, so gotta kind of watch where I'm stepping. Out to the right's highway, state highway. And this trail used to run along here still. We'll see. More trees. This one's a little bit bigger. Guess I'm gonna walk around this one. In here, wow, good dead wood. I was gonna go back down to that side road, but I'm just gonna side hill it here across the bank of the state highway. So I'm gonna jump on the other side up at the corner here. Head down this other side. It's a snowmobile route here in the wintertime down trail. I'm gonna walk along that for a ways. So I left about 8 o'clock. It's about 8:30 now. And my family was gonna leave at 8:45 to drive into town. So I'm hoping they're gonna rendezvous with me along the road up here. I gotta hustle to make it in time. Okay, I'm gonna jump off this trail now. Start boondocking through a field. Heading towards Hason Hills Recreational Area. Tubing and skiing area, mountain biking. They do have Frisbee golf course over here in this area that I'm walking through now. There's one of the holes. Another Frisbee golf hole. And we're gonna get on the mountain bike trail right up here. Now we're on the mountain bike trail. And right here to the right is actually a tubing hill. You may hear some helicopters in the background. I'm near the Michigan National Guard camp, so that's pretty common. There's a helicopter flying. Probably can hear the noise, but can't see anything. Years ago, this was Fred Bear Archery Museum. It's all been tore down now, but great memories as a kid shooting a bow and arrow over here. Touring the museum in the summer. That's the Hason Hills Recreation Area. That's like the ski lodges, ski hills in the background there. I suspect those cars over there leaving are walkers, hikers, or maybe even mountain bikers. There's a little pond over here that I was hoping to go around the other side of through the woods, but I fear I'm running short on time to be back out to the road to get picked up. Hopefully maybe you can hear the sound of the water, crickets. That's cool. There's a new dock here that I hadn't seen. Catch and release fish. No swimming, but right here's a platform and a dock. So that's great. Awesome for kids. Got some picnic tables back up in here. Some grills. There's a water down there, the ski hill. And we got like a mulch trail. Pretty nice. I'm gonna walk along here a little ways and then try to jump up to the asphalt road that I'm gonna get picked up on. I don't want to miss my ride. think I'll just cut through here. It's probably my safest bet. Not exactly sure how thick the woods will be a little farther up. Kind of a neat horizon in the sky there, and there's my asphalt road. About 1.5 miles into the hike, so just a good evening stroll. My ride should be coming along soon. The Lonesome Highway. Quiet night. Comes a car, could be my ride. That's it. Hey guys. Nice to see you.